Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to give permissions to another user to access your S3 bucket using an inline policy. Let's start by navigating to the IAM service, then click on Users. Right now I'm logged in as Abhi, which has admin permissions, but I have another user called temp, which has no permissions. If I navigate to the S3 service, you'll see that I have 5 buckets in my account right now. Let's see what happens when I try to view these buckets as a temp user in a separate browser. I get the "you don't have permissions" error. Say I want to give my temp user access to my test bucket and everything inside it. To do that, I'll go back to the IAM console and click on Add Inline Policy. For service, I'm going to select S3, and for list action, I'm going to select List All My Buckets and List Bucket. For read actions, I'm going to select Get Bucket Location and Get Object. Under Resources, click on Add ARN and copy paste your bucket name. For object name, you can either specify an individual object or check any. You can also specify request conditions such as multi-factor authentication required or specify IP address range. Click Review Policy, give it a name, then hit Create Policy. Feel free to review the policy in JSON format as well. If we now go back to the temp user session and hit refresh, we should be able to list all our buckets. If I click on the RDS backup bucket, I get the insufficient permissions error. However, if I click on the my test bucket, I'm able to view all my objects. We should also be able to download this object since we gave our user get object permissions. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.